Hey, let me show you all steps that you can try to fix Bluetooth problems on your Redmi Note 15 with your earbuds, headphones, or for example the speaker. Let's say you cannot connect, or for example you are connected but your device keep disconnecting. So the first thing that I always recommend you, start by restarting your phone. So to do that you have to click on the power key, volume up button simultaneously, like that. And now just go to the reboot and wait until the phone turns on. Next, we can also try to go to the settings, open the Bluetooth and simply switch off Bluetooth for a few moments and then turn it on back. If it is not working, try to perform a reset of your Bluetooth device. So in my case, I have earbuds. I have to click and hold this side button and wait until the indicator starts blinking red, just like this. And the reset will be complete. So I have to close the case, open, and I can try to connect my device one more time. If it is not working, you can also try to go for About Phone section and check if you don't have the new software update for your phone. Or you can simply go into the More Connectivity options and you can perform a reset of all of these settings. There is no way to only reset Bluetooth. You will have to also reset your Wi-Fi and the mobile data, but click here and simply click OK and let me know if it works. If it is nothing working, I can recommend you to try to connect your Bluetooth device into another device so we can check if the issue is with your phone or if the issue is with your Bluetooth device. But the ultimate way is just to perform a factory reset of your phone. That's all for this video. Let me know if it works. I hope you find it useful.